Hi guys, at Croes, Newydd, level crossing in Wrexham, happy homes and direct homes. Okay, there we go. Now the time now is 1500 on Wednesday the 29th of May 2024, and this is for your Transport Royal service from Birmingham International to Holyhead. I'll just stand here because it's a good view to see the train coming. I'll just stand over here because there's a good view because I can see I could see the train coming from here, so I'll just stand here. Get a light shot. God, loud music. I don't want to get copyrighted. Oh, my bad. Okay. Oh, train approaching. Here it is. We have 8:34. Okay, 8:34 to 158, 8:39 to where is it going to go? Holyhead, and up they go. Thank you guys, we'll see you next video.